So you want to know where something is in the world. That's what exactly get actor location does. So this is the node here. As you can see, it will give you the exact XYZ location of an actor. You can even get it by splitting it, the exact value of X, Y, or Z if you like it to get individually. And I will just till that option goes exactly. Yeah, we will recombine the structure pin. And you can, if you want to get it directly from there, you can just right click and type in get actor location. And by this, you can get location of anything. For now, I'm going to take from event tick and type in print string so I can get on every tick the location of the blueprint. So I will just connect it. It will automatically convert the vector into string. And to get a better visualization of the actor, what I will do is I will add a cube into it like this. So here is our cube and I will just compile it for now. And here we are in our level. Now I just click the play button and I will just get an exit so I can show you properly. You can also do it. So by holding here, I'm just going to move it. And as you can see, it's getting updated in real time. It is the location of the cube in the world, in the level. As you can see, we are updating it and it's very easy to get the location. Now, it's actually very useful when you are spawning anything at all, or just spawning an effect and doing AI navigations or checking the distance between two objects, the location between enemy and the player, checking the location between player and a door or something like that. It's very super useful. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.